Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental controls on Redmi 14R. You have to start by opening your settings application, and then you have to scroll down and click on Google. Now click on all services, and then you have to find parental controls, and then click on let's do this. Now click sign in. Then you have to click use pattern, and you have to enter your lock screen pattern. Now you have to enter your child email address. Then click next. And now you have to enter your child password. Now you have to scroll down and click I agree. Then scroll down and click accept. And now click on supervise. Then click on next. And here you have to enter your parent email address. And then click next. And now you have to enter your parent password. And now you have to scroll all the way down, and here you have to enter your child password again. Now click next. And then click allow. Now you have to scroll down and click next. And then click done. And now, as you can see, my parental controls are set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.